Thank you. Whew, what a nice day, guys. It's absolutely gorgeous out here, in here and out there. Yeah, I've just finished my shift, well, my work. Yeah, so basically this will be my last drive in the Fiesta until it goes. So I'm quite like upset to drive it home today. I'm only driving it like my last drive because I don't really want to like imagine me taking it out tomorrow and crashing or something stupid. So this is the last drive. I got it all cleaned gorgeously by CA Valentine Eccleston, so I'm going to take a few videos of that and you can see it here. Like, it's absolutely unreal. And this car, you've probably seen all my videos, it's probably never been cleaned in a long time because it's been in the garage, it's been getting things done to it, it's been getting sorted, ready for a sale. And now the Focus ST and RS specialist have bought it. I'll leave them a link below so you can check obviously their Instagram and their Facebook page out and see if there's anything you are interested in. I do look really crap today because obviously I've been working, I've not been anything else, and I keep sliding off my seat because it's just so slidey and so like nice and shampooed. Amy is just here right now. She's my work colleague. Look at her, she absolutely shit me up then. There she goes in a little Peugeot. So let's see. I bet you've all missed this sound. Probably should have like, that's my key battery low. Put the windows down for a few minutes. But I'm not gonna, I'll put them up when I'm driving because the wind pissing annoys me. I've not like videoed in this car in ages. I've missed this car so much. When I got out of the garage the other day, my smile was huge, don't get me wrong. It was just nice being back in it. However, now I have the Mark 6 as well. It don't seem to be that. You can get past that, eh? Oh, come on. I've literally just been like behind this guy for a few seconds now and he still hasn't moved because there's no cars coming. Move! Move. Go. Thank you very much. Right, so yeah, I like drove out of the garage today to make sure it was still working. Obviously the brakes were a bit stuck on, so I wanted to like get it out, do a proper run, get the brakes all back to normal. And they are back to normal. And the car itself just sounds so insane. At the moment I've got like no slam panel on, or anything really on. I've not even put the window wipers back on yet. So that's probably why you can hear so much more like air induction, because there's just no like nothing covering the nose up. On your own side of the road. Thank you very much. What is it today? Like people just think they can do whatever they want all the time. Yeah, so it was just nice, but yeah, so basically it's sold now. I am going to be taking it down to London on Saturday with my friend Rachel, who's got the Mark 8 Performance ST. So Performance Edition ST, apologies. She also has a YouTube channel as well, which I'll leave here. So I'm going to take it down. She's also going to be doing a review of this today, and then I'm going to be doing a review of hers tomorrow. And she'll also be doing the Mark 6 ST as well, because she's only been used to her ST. So it'd be nice to get like a different feeling and a different person's opinion on it. However, I love the Mark 6. I think it's a bit shaky this because I've not had this thing for a while. I need to sort it all out, so sorry if I'm a bit shaky. But yeah, like since owning the Mark 6 ST, this doesn't bring me as much joy as it used to. I find more fun in the naturally aspirated Mark 6 and I have no idea why. I just can't like shake just a little itch of it. I just don't know what it is. And and I really cannot explain it. So even though this is going, I am still happy because I still have another ST, like I still have another Ford to play around with. So I'm not like absolutely in tears over it anymore, but well, I don't know when it goes. I think when I'm actually handing it over and stuff, I think I will be in tears, but that'll all to come. I'm really hoping Rachel will film it because I probably will cry, and it'll just be nice to like be reminded of my moment. But I've owned this car for 3 years, so it's just gonna be nice to get something a little different. However, I'm not going to jump into a new car. It's going to be a case of saving up and either putting down a mega deposit for my new car or buying it outright. So probably won't see it for a few months, which is I am not bothered about, because I still have the Mark 6, still have Reese's Monday, we still have the RS to play around with. Probably will end up getting another little toy, you just don't know with us. So yeah, I'm not overly that bothered about getting a new car just yet, but I am hoping for it to be a Chevrolet Camaro. Started with this Fiesta ST, and this car is what made me make my channel, so I honestly can't thank this car enough. But it is time for a new challenge, it's time for something new. At least I'm staying American, but yeah, it's time guys, it's really time now. Until all that rest, that money's exchanged. I love it so much. I'm freaking out though. Oh, it just sounds so good, and the car is just so healthy and just so you proper like an actual walk around of it, how it's going. This is how it's going, and it's going. So I just want everyone to like say bye bye. But yeah, there we go, that's it. The time has come for the Fiesta to go. This is it. I think this might be my last video on the channel with it, so is my aircon on or something? Oh, stretchy. Clean, isn't it? Very clean. There we go. Let's get back in here. Oh, nice and clean. I'm just slipping down my seat. Oh, can't do it now. There we go. I think I'm in a driver's. Definitely not in a driver's position. Ugh. That's better, innit? Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna end it here. So I hope everyone's having an amazing, well, going to be having an amazing bank holiday weekend. If you're working, if not, then just stay chilling at home. Please don't go to the beach and all this stuff that I've been seeing everywhere. Corona is still about us, alright? So I will see you all very, very soon. Hopefully very soon. So please stay subscribed, keep liking and keep commenting. If you are excited about the Fiesta, the Mark 6, stay excited because something crazy is just going to happen. I've ordered something today. So yeah, you're not even ready for that. Oh shoot. Why park there? Everyone's a fucking retard. So yeah guys, I'm going. Stay safe.